Welcome back. It's that time to have our good friend Emily Frankowski joining us in studio this morning from Connect to Culture, here to tell us about everything that's going on for the month of April.
There's so much going on in April. You know, all of the information is at connecttoculture.org on our calendar, where you can see performances, exhibits, classes, events that are from all of the different arts and cultural organizations, which are over 40 that just live in Joplin or the Joplin area. So there's a lot going on.
Well, let's kick it off with the performances, because
Yeah.
it sounds like you guys have quite a variety this month.
Yeah, Connect to Culture is excited to bring 3 different shows to the Cornell Complex this April, from hip hop to 1920s, 1930s jazz and blues to a piano battle. So the reminders are coming up actually this Friday, which is a amazing, remarkable hip hop duo. Samir is one of the artists, and he weaves, you know, both rap that's English and in French, because he's actually born in Brussels.
Interesting.
And his wife, Asia, she is also a wonderful, you know, she sings as well as has a little bit of rapping, but they're also going to be going to Missouri Southern the day before to do a free workshop called Writing with Feeling. So that's going to be really fun.
Okay.
Then Miss Jubilee, she's from St. Louis. Miss Jubilee and the Yas Yas Boys is what it's called. And that's 1920s, 1930s jazz and blues. And it's just going to be so much fun. We're excited to have them. And it'll just kind of transport you back to a more simpler time. And then the piano battle is 2 amazing award-winning pianists. We're gonna have 2 pianos on stage, not only our 1949 refurbished Steinway Concert Grand, but we're getting another one that's comparable, and they're going to duke it out. And each round, the audience has cards that have, you know, one artist on one side, the other on the other. You will vote for the winner at the end of the night.
Ooh,
So
how cool.
you don't know who's gonna win, and it's audience participation, lots of fun.
It's also National Poetry Month.
It is. April's National Poetry Month, so we just collectively celebrate the importance of poetry in our lives. We partner with Post Art Library and Pub Hound Press to put all this information together. We've got posters around, different things, so there's open mic poetry nights, there's readings with specific artists like Nicole Callahan at the Cornell Complex. There's 1,000 Words at Spiva Center for the Arts. So many ways, and National Poem in Your Pocket Day, like we were talking about. We prepare over 500 different little poem scrolls, and we set them out at coffee shops, at the library, at the Cornell Complex, and you just select a poem, and then you take it with you, read it, share it with others. It's just a really fun time to get involved with poetry in Joplin.
Okay, so there are several events throughout the month dealing with the poetry. So where can people find information on each specific event? Since the Cornell Complex is open, what has been the response in the Joplin community?
It's just
having
been
this
so
facility?
exciting, and every time we have a new show, I feel like we have more, you know, retention of people, you know, people sharing information with others about the great performances or exhibits that Spiva's got going on. People are just awed. You know, I brought my sister, she lives in Minnesota, and she grew up in Joplin. She couldn't believe that Joplin had a facility like this, and it's really a game changer for our region.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in again once a month for us. We love it,
Yes.
finding out what's going on, arts and culture related in the Joplin area.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, thank you. And we will be right back.